Hey everyone, welcome back to HSYT Gamer. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of PC building on a budget. We'll explore some fantastic products that you can get for under 1.5 lakh rupees to build your dream gaming PC. Let's kick things off with the heart of your PC, the processor. AMD 5000 series, Ryzen 7, 5700X, price 19,340. Next up, we have the powerhouse of gaming, the graphics card. Inno3D GeForce RTX 3060, 8GB gaming, graphic card price, 44142. You'll need ample memory and storage for your PC to run smoothly. RAM, Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB, price, 69972. Next own motherboard, Asus Prime B550M-A, Wi-Fi AMD AM4 price, 13535. Use SSD or HDD, that's your choice. Power supply board, Thermaltake Smart 600-watt PFC power supply. Use the best cooling system and then use the gaming case with RGB light you like. So there you have it, our top recommendations for building a gaming PC under 1.5 lakhs. Check description and buy it, gaming PC build product. Stay tuned for more gaming tech tips.